Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Good news for UZALO viewers. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Actor Nkanyiso is the new face of UZALO. Who earned himself a name playing the role of Nkululeko on ETV soapy IMBEWU will be unleashed on January 10. He takes on a new role of a computer-wielding kid called Spamandla Wezelt Nkosi. According to the show producer, Mchunu will progress Kosi, a man who grew up with a fascination for computers and coding at the young age. And it seems like Nkanyiso Mchunu gets the big role on UZALO. The actor, who is excited to return to the small screen after leaving IMBEWU, said UZALO is the biggest platform of them all and the highest storytelling program. Nkanyiso Mchunu is known as Motoza on iHostela. How do you feel about this actor enter on UZALO? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.